channel, stocks and books by Bree, where we talk about buying stocks and dividends dividing and supplemental learning. Want the secret? Gotta read. Here we go over the fundamentals you need to succeed. Major keys, you might get some gems, economic gems. So be sure to go hit subscribe so you can stay linked in.
Hey family, my name is Brehon Mills and I'd like to welcome you guys back to the channel where we love talking about our financial and personal development. Hey family, I hope you guys are having a phenomenal week and I hope all of your trades are successful. Now today family, I want to talk about this call option that I'm in. I'm up 23% on a Alibaba January 21st, 2022 $200 call option. And I want to talk about candlesticks. Now one of the most powerful and effective trading strategies is by simply understanding trends and understanding candlesticks. Now, when you understand candlestick development, you can just take a few candlesticks and you can implement them into your trading strategies, and you can put yourself in a position where you can win successfully over and over again. All right, now I want to talk about one candle on this video right here. All right, I want to talk about strictly one candle that you can use to help sure your trades, your swing trades, your option tradings are winning ones. All right, now let's take a look at the hammer candle. Now I've done a presentation on candlestick training. You can go back to my, some of my previous videos, and I did a whole just training on different candles, different setups, and how you can use them to succeed. But today I just want to talk about the hammer candle. Okay, so the hammer is a bullish reversal pattern. All right, so the hammer is a bullish reversal pattern. The lower wick must be at least twice the size of the candle body. No wick at the top of the candle body. All right, let me see here. Okay, so when it comes to the handle, when it comes to the hammer candle, the body can be either red or green. All right, and so when we take a look at the bearish hammer candle, all right, and so what happens is at the start of the day, the price or the bears come in, they drive the price down, then all of a sudden the bulls run in, they come in and they help push the price back up, but they close in a bearish state, so they didn't have an opportunity to get back even or possibly above even. All right, now when we take a look at a bullish hammer, same thing. The bears came in, they drove the price down. The bulls came in, they drove the price up. Right, they drove the price up to the opening price and beyond. Right, and so what ends up happening, if we close with this hammer candle, there's a strong potential that that momentum may continue on in the next trading session. All right, let me see here. All right, so I'm not going to go over every slide. I just wanted to give you an idea of what the hammer candle is. All right, now the hammer candle. All right, so in order for a tradable hammer candle, the candle must appear at the bottom or near the bottom of a trend. All right, now can you guys identify the hammer candle in this chart here? All right, and so if you identify this candle here, you are well on your way to placing some incredible trades in the future. And remember what we stated, we must be able to identify a downtrend. All right, so the hammer candle is found at the bottom of a downtrend. Right, so once we have the strong downward movement, we'll have this hammer candle, and this could signal a reversal in pattern. All right, now let me close this out. Let me see here. And the reason why I jumped into Alibaba today All right. And I'm sorry, I jumped in Alibaba, maybe 5 or 6 days ago. And so when we take a look at Alibaba, we can clearly see that Alibaba has had a nice, strong downtrend. And I've been checking out Alibaba every day right before the close. And so on this day here, August 23rd, what do we have? We have a hammer candle, right? We have a hammer candle. Now, in order to trade the hammer candle, there are certain rules that we must follow. Now, if the following candle is trading above the hammer candle, that's a great opportunity for us to jump in. All right, this is a strong signal that we are going to have some continued upward movement, some upward momentum. All right, but what I did was I took a slight risk. Once I logged into my TD Ameritrade account, I pulled up the Alibaba chart and I saw that it was around 10 to 15 minutes to go before the closing session. I saw we was developing this strong hammer candle. And right before the close, I purchased the call option in hopes that the momentum will continue on into the next session. And so the next day we were up big. So we closed here at let me see here. So we closed at 161. We opened here at 169, closed at 171. So that was really a nice good run up. We came back a little bit, but then boom, we came back right back up, approaching that 20-day moving average. All right, so again, we have a nice strong downward momentum, nice downtrend. Then we have the hammer candle. And now the following day, and also when we place these trades, it is important for us to try to minimize our losses. Okay, so once I decided to jump into this trade here, I set a stop limit. So if it did fall below a certain price, my option would automatically sell and I will reduce or greatly minimize the risk for losses. All right, so I jumped in here and I had a nice push up here. I came back down a little bit, but I wasn't worried because my sale target was somewhere around this 157 mark or something like that, and so it never really reached it. I was hoping for more continued upward movement, and we did get that. And so again, this hammer candle at the bottom of a trend, we see how far we away from that 20-day moving average. I was hoping and strongly expecting us to make more upward movement back to that 20-day, and hopefully we'll cross over that 20-day and we'll begin to establish a new upward trend. All right, but for today, I want you guys to take a look at hammer candles. And oftentimes, especially when we're young or very hungry for success and hungry for massive gains and massive growth, sometimes you want to sit back and you want to relax. All right, if you have some cash sitting in the bank and the setup isn't right for you, hey, don't trade. Take a moment and chill for that day. All right, identify 8 to 10 companies that you can watch every single day. Pull up the charts, and if you can identify a nice downtrend, a downward trend could be 5 days, it could be 10 or 15 days. But if you can identify a nice downtrend, then you can see this hammer candle forming. That is a strong possibility that we are going to have some upward momentum in the near future. All right. And if you time your purchase, you can succeed in this thing, right? And you can do this over and over and over again. So what I plan on doing with Alibaba, I may continue to watch this option. If we could get, if I'm up 40, 50%, I may sell and I may just wait until I get another setup. All right. The ultimate goal is to win over and over again. Small wins add up, large wins add up. But the last thing you want to do, put yourself in a position where you jump in, the trade don't work your way, you don't have stop limits in, and then ultimately you lose all of your money when it comes to that specific trade. All right. So you don't want to do that. All right. Again, take a look at the hammer candles. utilize this, implement this in your trading strategy, and watch the wins rack up. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys are chasing your dreams, chasing your goals. Hey, and don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button, and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.